Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is transposition of lenses. How we can transport the lenses. What is the definition of transposition? In transposition, in lens prescription is converted from one optical form to other optical equivalent form. In this case we change from optical we change our prescription from one form to other form. Now I am going to giving an example. If our prescription is +2 diopter sphere with -1 diopter cylinder at 20 degree, we have mostly 3 to 4 steps in transposition. I will explain every step one by one. Our first step is add the cell with spherical power. We add our cylindrical power to spherical power. Always remember this point. This addition will be algebraically. Now +2 diopter sphere is our sphere, -2 is our cylinder. Here see, you can see +2 -1. Here is our sphere will be +1 diopter sphere. Now our step 2 is change the sign of cell. If we have cell, this is our cell. Here we are going to change the sign of cell. We have -1 cylinder. Now the sign will be +1 cylinder. Our step 3 is rotate the axis of cell through 90 degree. What is the meaning to rotate the axis of cell through 90 degree? Here I am going to explain these 2 points. If your cylinder has axis and that axis is less than 90 degree, you can say here our axis is 20 degree. You know very well that 20 is less than 90. If our axis is less than 90 degree, then we will add 90 degree to that axis. For example, 30 plus 90 120, 20 plus 90 110, 40 plus 90 130. Any value that is less than 90 degree, then we will add 90 degree to that value. But if our axis is more than 90 degree, then we will subtract 90 degree from that axis. Here for example, our axis is 110, then we will subtract 90 degree from this. We will subtract 90 degree from this. 110 minus 90 is equal to only 20 degree. But we are coming to our prescription. Here our axis is 20 degree, so it's less than 90 degree. We will add 90 degree to 20. Here 20 plus 90 degree is equal to 110. We have completed our 3 steps. Now what will be our final prescription? Now this is our spherical +1 diopter sphere we have wrote here, and this is our cylinder +1 diopter cylinder we have wrote here. And what will be our axis? Our axis is 110, so we have wrote here. This is our final prescription. I want to give you another example. I am going to write another prescription here. For example, we have +3 diopter sphere with -2 diopter cylinder at 110 axis. Here first of all add the cylinder to sphere algebraically. +3 -2, what will be our sphere? +1 diopter sphere. Change the sign of cylinder. -2 here will be +2 diopter cylinder. Now it's 110, it's more than 90. We are going to subtract 90 from 110. 110 minus 90 degree, it will be only 20 degree. Here will be axis 20 degree. Now we have transposed this prescription. Our final prescription will be this. Thank you so much.